In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an Epic Games account on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For the method I'm gonna present you in this video, you need to access the Epic Games account or website over at a web browser. So if you want to, you can use the Microsoft Edge app on your Xbox or just use a computer or your phone to go over to www.star.epicgames.com. When you arrive at this website, you should have the option to sign in at the top right corner of the screen. And when you select it, select Don't Have an Epic Games Account, Sign Up at the bottom of the page. As you can see, you will have to choose a method. This doesn't matter, you can either sign up using your Xbox account itself or just use an email and then connect your Xbox account later. I recommend going with the email option and follow the prompts on screen. Include your birth date and proceed with the setup as necessary. Once you finish setting up your account, you will be able to sign in and your name should be displayed at the top right corner of the website. Hover over your name and click Account from the drop-down menu that appears. In here, use the left-sided menu to go into Apps and Accounts and then select Accounts next to Apps. Within the Accounts tab, you will have the option to connect your Xbox account if you haven't done that already when you signed up. Simply click Connect and you will be instructed on how to properly link your account with your Xbox Live account. Just follow the instructions on screen and you will be able to connect both accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to create an Epic Games account on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.